Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. So first, what you want to do is to simply make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. So if you open your Google Chrome and look for your new tab here. So as you can see, you cannot screen record incognito because of this privacy or private settings. But now we're not going to use incognito. We're going to use the basic mode of Google Chrome. So you can do this tutorial even if you're not using incognito version or mode. So what you want to do here is to simply type Chrome URL. You just have to follow what I'm going to type here. So after you type this Chrome URL, you will see different links below. But what you want to do next is to simply look for Chrome history. Okay. So if you tap this Chrome history below here, you will see all the history, including your incognito. So what you want to do next is simply tap that one and it will take you directly to all histories, but you have to make sure or identify that you have remembered all of the things that you have searched on your incognito. So maybe some users cannot access this or it's not working on their device. So I really hope that after doing this method, it will somehow work on your device. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.